Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the parent's phone and you're ready to act. First, unlock the device and confirm the parent is signed into their Apple ID. You need organizer privileges to change Ask to Buy. Once done, make sure iOS is updated so family sharing options appear correctly. Now open Settings and tap the parent's name at the top to access family sharing. This starts the process. Don't skip verifying account and organizer status because Ask to Buy toggles depend on that. You're in family sharing now. Locate the child's entry and tap it to view controls. Under the child's profile, choose Purchases and then look for Ask to Buy. Toggle Ask to Buy off. iOS may prompt the parent to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or the passcode, so have that ready. Once toggled, the setting updates across Apple ID on the child's device. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the change to sync to Apple servers before testing purchases. Finish by testing a small free or paid purchase on the child's device to confirm Ask to Buy is off. You should not receive a request. If you don't see the toggle on the parent phone, make sure the parent is the family organizer and both devices run current iOS versions. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or restart both phones to force a sync. One key troubleshooting tip: check that the child's Apple ID is correct in family sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.